Welcome back to this training series on link building strategy for a new site, week 4. So today in this video we're going to be building 2 links in the 4th week of creating your site. So for the first site, this is the site Gifi.com. So all you need to do is to go to Gifi.com and click on login. Then we have to click on sign up since we are signing up for a new account. So put the email address, username, password you want to use to sign up and click on sign up. Or alternatively, you can sign up with your Facebook account. So you can use whichever method you seems preferable to you to sign up on this site. After you've signed up, the next thing to do is to log in to your Gifi account. After you've logged into the new account, go up, click on settings. Then scroll down, then you write a little description about your site. Then this is where we are going to add the website. That is the website we want to send backlinks to. Then alternatively, you can also add your social media links here. You can add everything there. And after that, you click on save. So let's get that done. So we've added about us, the website and social links on the boxes provided. And after we've done that, we click on save. Then after saving, scroll back, copy this link. We want to preview it to see how it looks like. Then open it. As you can see, this is how it looks like. You can decide to change this image here to the logo of your website. That's optional. So let's check if this link is no follow or do follow link. As you can see, every link pasted here, they are do follow link. They are do follow link. So we're going to go to the second website we're going to be creating a link on for a new site. So let's go to the second website. So the second website we're going to be creating links on for our new website is called Zillow.com. So when you get to this site, click on sign in, then on new account. Alternatively, you can also sign in or sign up on this website using any of these, but I prefer to use email to sign up. So I'm going to click on new account. So the same way we did for the other website, you add in your email, password, and submit. So after filling in your email address and password, you can select category here. You can select anything here. It doesn't matter. Then add your name, postal code, and click on continue. Then put any phone number here. So once you've done that, this is the page you're going to see. Here you can set the screen name. The screen name, any name you put on this particular box will be the name that's going to reflect on your profile, the profile URL. So if you don't like this, you don't like it, you can change it over here. You use this name. Then you can choose a profile photo, but that's optional. Then scroll down. Any place you see optional, it's not a must you add any details to that particular place. But here you have to add a name. Business address. You can add anything there. The same thing with here. Then just the same way we did for the other website on Gifi.com. You can add your YouTube or any social media link on any of these. And after you've done that, you click on submit. So let's get that done. So after you click on submit, this is the next page it's going to refer you to. But it doesn't end there. We have to go further by adding more links to about us or about me page. So we'll click on edit, then click on about me. Then here you write few write-ups about your website, then add a link. So let's get that done. So after adding about me and adding a link to the about me page, this is what we get. So let's check if this link is a no follow or do follow link. You click on this. As you can see, this is a do follow link. So after creating your links, that is creating backlinks on this site, the next thing to do is to make sure the backlinks are indexed. To get that done, check the description of this video. You will see a link to the video I've made on how to get backlinks indexed very fast. So watch that video to know how to get backlinks indexed. So these are the links you should build in the 4th week of creating your site. If this is your first time of watching our video, please like and subscribe to get more videos on backlinks building and blogging tips. I will see you in the next video.